Okay, hi Ian. This is your 901, and the problem with the ALC, as described, as we mentioned before, rather, the problem was only that pot there was a little bit dirty, which I've sprayed a little switch cleaner in it, cleaned it up, put it back together again, and it's now working fine. Okay. I'm going to use this meter because it's a PEP meter connected to a dummy load at the moment, because I'm monitoring on my own set down there. So I'm going to turn the volume up now. Let you hear the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. So there's definitely audio going out. There's your meter, PEP meter, chatting away. Okay. Right, that's the ALC kicking in, okay. Current meter doesn't matter, and obviously signal meter jumping about, no problem at all. So, that's, don't mind the feedback. That's all it was after all that. So, we got there in the end. It was just a case of trying to figure out why it wasn't working. But, yeah, all that for a little bit of a dirty pop on the ALC meter, so something to look out for. It's just these pots are so old now, they're just getting to the stage that to replace them all, you're looking at a lot of work. Is it worth it? That's up to you, you know. But you know, it's an old radio. It's going to have issues like that. If you look at the pots, you can see. I'll try and zoom up here a little bit for it. You see the corrosion there. If I was to get that off of there, look, just to give you an idea of the difference, old and new, I shall clean that. Ignore all the noise in the background, apologies for that. So you see that's just a fiberglass brush. It's cleaned the dirt off of that. So you see what I mean, it's just old stuff getting older. Anyway, hope you're happy with that, and I'll send it back to you, and I'll catch up with you later. Cheers.